Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Juhis Lifestyle. It's been a while since I've uploaded any daily vlog video, so here I come up with one. Hope you liked it. You will find my voice little different today because I have got cold and cough, so really sorry for that. My husband is busy with his Zoom call, so here I am having my cup of tea. Today is Saturday and we woke up late this morning. That's why skipping our breakfast and heading directly towards lunch. And in lunch I am making khichdi, and this gonna be my take on khichdi, sharing some of the clips with you all. For me, weekends are meant to be a cleaning day, but it's totally depend on my mood. After all, any day of the week is a good day for house cleaning. So I am just giving a quick vibes to all my stuffs. Even though cleaning sometimes seems like nothing more than a necessary evil, but it's really a good way to achieve a sense of accomplishment. I ordered 2 dresses from Myntra, and you will find the links in the description bar in case you wanna check. The first dress I didn't like at all, so मैं इसे return करने वाली हूँ for sure. But the second dress I quite liked it. This is a sequence dress and the material is also very good. while having my popcorn. Let's do some work. After dinner, me and my husband go for a walk, and I have to complete my 10,000 steps a day target because in the last 2-3 months मैंने कुछ weight gain किया है and I really need to lose that. So that's it for today's vlog. If you wanna see more vlog like this, do let me know in my comment section, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, be safe, be happy and peace.